Today I'm going to show you how I make my dressing. This is what I buy is the Pepperidge Farms herb seasoned stuffing and breadcrumbs. First we have to put a 1/4 cup margarine or butter, 1 cup water, but I use chicken broth, and chopped onion and celery. 1/4 cup of butter in there, that's 4 tablespoons. I'm going to melt that down. I'm going to put 1 cup of chicken broth, you put some celery in there, I've already chopped it up. Onion, I buy the yellow onion. Now I'm going to save some of this, which I got a whole bag of celery, but I'm going to let that come to a boil. And then you cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on like medium low, and then I'll be back. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that mixture to cook, the onion and celery and butter and broth. Okay, now you can season it how you like. I've already added a little salt and pepper to the breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to add some sage. You don't have to add sage unless you like sage, but that's how my mom always made it with sage dressing. You can taste it and see if it's seasoned enough for you. If it's not, then add a little bit more seasoning, more sage, how you like it. I just put a little bit in the palm of my hand, which is probably maybe a teaspoon and a half, something like that. I don't know. But once you get it all mixed. Okay, so it's starting to boil. So I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So now this is all heated and up together, cooked together, and now you're just going to pour it over the breadcrumbs. Now you can use any breadcrumbs you want. You can make your own if you would like. I just personally just rather do it like this. I like the Pepperidge Farms. It's good. And it's just easier. Especially when you got health issues, and like my knees, I'm hurting now from standing and cooking, so I have to take breaks and then come back to it. Cook in the kitchen all day. My mom, she started cooking 2 days before, baking, because now my mom, for holidays, she did bacon from scratch. Her dumplings she made from scratch, her pie crust she made from scratch. That's something I've never done. Okay, so what you're going to do, let me get a little spoon because I want to taste this to see. That's how my mom did it. She tasted to see if it had enough seasoning. Okay, so now let me put the eggs in there too. Okay. This is the biggest mixing bowl I have, so you're just gonna stir it, just mix it up. This part takes a little time and patience. I am going to put a little bit more sage in there, because I like sage. I just like the taste of it in my dressing. So let's get another taste. That's good. Now add some more. Now Mom took the juice from the turkey, but I haven't cooked the turkey yet, and I want to get a lot of this done, so all I have to do is cook the turkey. Add the broth until you think it's the good consistency that you want it, because it's going to cook up in the bread. It's going to soak up in it. This really is easy to make, you guys. For those that don't really know how to cook or just learning to cook. Add this into my dish and just spread it out. And if you feel like you need more, now you don't want it too soggy wet, because then it just won't come out right. But you don't want not enough either, or the dressing will come out too dry. It looks good. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And you can see it. It smells so good.